Hey guys, Daniel here with Dana.
Hi!
And today we're going to be making the sopatoscana from Olive Garden, right? Is that the yummy soup? Awesome. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here and put the saute button. So these are the ingredients we're going to be using today. We're going to use 6 medium potatoes. We'll be using 2 pounds of this hot and spicy sausage. We use 3 strips of bacon already pre-cut, 1 large onion, some minced garlic or 6 cloves chopped up. And I like to use that because it's a lot easier. Okay, and for the kale we used about 4 stems and we cut it up in pieces. And we're going to be using 6 cups of chicken broth and 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. This thing's already hot. We're going to start off with putting the bacon, right, Natalie? Can you do it for me?
Yep.
Just put the cup in there. Okay. Alright. So we're going to let this sizzle, shizzle. And kind of keep moving it because then it's going to get stuck in the pan. Okay. So after we brown it, we're going to take out the bacon, set it aside, and then we're going to start cooking the sausage. Okay, so we're going to let it get nice and crispy. Okay, we're going to stir occasionally, that way it can caramelize. That was one occasion. That's 2 occasions. Alright, I think that's right. So we're going to go ahead and take it out. Put it back on our little glass container. What does it smell like, baby?
Meat.
Like meat? Smells good, right? Alright. We're just going to set that aside and we're going to go ahead and add our Italian sausage. Whoa!
That's funny. I like the other one.
Okay, go ahead, baby girl. Start adding the second one. You can do it. You can do it. Try to land it in the pot. Get it, get it. Woo! High five. Good job.
There's some more.
There's more? Okay, we're going to go ahead and squeeze all of it out. You got it? Let me help you. You got it, you got it. There you go. Good job, baby. That's enough. That's enough.
It looks like sausage.
Smells like sausage?
Yeah.
Because it is sausage. What?
It doesn't even clear. Like.
And we're using the hot sausage, a little spicy. That way, it already has a little bit of spice on it, right? Now, even thinking at the Olive Garden, sometimes I'll get some little red pepper flakes in there too. So I don't know if this one called for it, but we can add it if we want to, right? But I think we're good with the spicy sausage, right?
This one, this is on my finger. I'm gonna wipe it. I'll make this.
So Danielle, do you remember who gave you this apron?
Tia Melissa.
Tia Melissa? Say thank you, Tia Melissa.
Thank you, Melissa.
See, we've had it for a long time already, right? And she still wears it, so yay! Okay, we got this thing browned up. I think we're gonna go ahead and add in the onion. So Danielle, can you add the onion, please?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it. Good job, baby girl.
Let's put it back.
So we're gonna let this onion cook until it's translucent. And then, oh, we need to add, also I almost forgot, we need to add some oregano. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of oregano, guys. Okay. 1 teaspoon. And we're just gonna give it a little while until it gets translucent. Alright, our onions are pretty much done. And now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of the minced garlic. Okay. We're gonna mix it. So now we're gonna add 6 cups of chicken broth. So Danielle, you hold the cup.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna pour it in here and you add it to the pot. That's 1.
I'll carry it.
You carry it? Okay, grab it, grab it good. 2.
You don't have to hold it.
Okay, so we got 3 cups with this one. Hold it. Here we go. Ready? Whee! 3. Hold it, mama. And 4. 5. Whoa. 5. Put it in there. Alright. Pour it in. Yeah, good job. So after we pour in the chicken broth, we're gonna scrape the bottom of this pan to get all the little brown bits, okay? That's all the flavor that's gonna be in this sopatoscana. So now we're gonna add the potatoes and the bacon back in, okay guys? Go ahead and pour some potatoes in here. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Potato.
Now for this soup, we added 6 potatoes. It says 4 to 6, so I like my sopatoscana to have a lot of potatoes.
Potato.
Because that is like one of my favorite foods.
Potato.
So we added 6 potatoes, right? And now we're gonna add the bacon back in.
The bacon.
Okay. Alright guys, once you added the potato and the bacon back in, we're gonna go ahead and push cancel. That shuts it off. We're gonna go ahead and put the lid back on. This pressure release button, we're gonna put it to sealing, and we're gonna put the pressure cook button. Okay, we're gonna make sure this thing is on normal right here in the middle, and pressure's on high. Right here it says 20 minutes. We're gonna bump it down to only 5 minutes, okay? And right here, you see this little thing right here with the P, that means it's coming up to pressure. And then a little bit you'll see another little pot come in with the fire signal. And that just means it's heating it up, okay guys? So once it's done, it's gonna beep and everything's gonna say done, and we're gonna let it vent off naturally, okay? And then we're gonna come back and add the kale and the heavy cream. And that's it. So all we have to do now is wait, guys. Now that it's done, we're gonna come over here and just do a little double check on the venting. See, it's all off. Ooh, look at that, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna add our final 2 ingredients. We're gonna add the 1.5 cup of heavy cream. Okay, that's 1 cup. Half a cup. And then we're gonna add our kale that we chopped up earlier. And then you're just gonna stir it in until it gets kind of soft. Okay, so that's about it. Your soup is done. Look, that cooked it so quick too. Super fast, super easy. Can't wait to taste it and see how it's gonna compare to the Olive Garden Zuppatoscana. The kale is now nice and soft. It is time to serve. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Now let's try it, guys. I don't want to get burned. I don't want to get burned, guys, okay? It's hot. The soup is really good, guys. It's really potatoey, really meaty, really kale-y, really creamy, really bacony. So please give this video a thumbs up, and remember, only the strong subscribe.